Welcome to your Global Rights and Ethics Update from Ethos Trek. I'm Sarah, and here are the top stories shaping human rights and governance worldwide this week. International humanitarian law under strain. The United Nations released a new briefing warning that violations of international humanitarian law are rising across multiple conflict zones. Investigators cited deliberate attacks on civilians, obstruction of aid, and widespread displacement as, quote, systemic, not incidental, unquote. The UN High Commissioner for Human Rights called on all states to reaffirm their commitments under the Geneva Conventions, warning that the global norm against targeting civilians is, quote, eroding in real time, unquote. Digital rights and surveillance. New restrictions spark concerns. Several countries moved to expand digital surveillance powers this week, citing national security. Civil society groups warn the new laws lack independent oversight and could be used against journalists, activists, and political dissidents. Human rights organizations are urging lawmakers to adopt stronger privacy protections and transparent review mechanisms before implementation. Climate justice. Court rules government must do more. A landmark environmental case reached a major decision. A national high court ruled that the government must strengthen its emissions plan to meet its legally binding climate targets. The ruling states that insufficient action violates citizens' rights to life, health, and a stable environment. Climate advocates call this a powerful precedent for rights-based climate litigation around the world. Migration and refugee protections. A new international report reveals global displacement has hit another record, with conflicts and climate disasters driving millions from their homes. Humanitarian groups continue to push for expanded refugee quotas and safe resettlement pathways. At the same time, several nations introduced new migration policies that critics say could violate non-refoulement obligations, the principle that refugees cannot be returned to danger. Anti-corruption and governance. A major corruption investigation in a national legislature resulted in several indictments this week. Transparency advocates say the case highlights both the scale of the problem and the importance of independent oversight bodies. They're calling for stronger whistleblower protections and greater transparency in political financing. Ethical governance, human rights, and democratic accountability continue to evolve around the world, sometimes forward, sometimes backward. We'll keep bringing you the stories that matter. For Ethos Trek, I'm Sarah. Stay informed, stay engaged, and stay ethical.